Flying Money Music, Millions, and Petrichor, Drive. Tagwirei buys Master H's new album for 30,000 United States dollars. Musical notes. The Zimbabwean music scene is buzzing after a massive and unprecedented transaction that saw prominent businessman, Drive. Kudakwashe Tagwirei, acquire the rights to Zimdancehall sensation Master H's new album, Petrichor, for a staggering 30,000 United States dollars. This move isn't just a financial landmark for the young artist, it's a profound statement on the value of local talent and the growing investment in Zimbabwean arts. The historic deal. The acquisition took place at the album's official launch, turning the event into an instant national headline. Dr. Tagwirei, known for his vast business interests, stepped forward with the record-breaking figure, effectively becoming the sole owner of the album's exclusive rights. This level of financial commitment to a single album by a private investor is rarely seen in the Zimbabwean music industry, elevating the commercial profile of Master H and potentially setting a new benchmark for other artists. Who is Master H? For those who may not know, Master H, real name Hilton, is a rising star in the highly competitive Zimdancehall genre. Known for his distinctive voice, catchy lyrics, and high-energy performances, he has quickly become a fan favorite. His music often resonates with the youth, speaking to everyday life experiences in Zimbabwe with an infectious rhythm. His previous singles like Hadi Kudiwa, and collaborations like Donzi, have already cemented his place as an artist to watch. Breaking down Petrichor. The album at the center of this historic deal is titled Petrichor, a name that refers to the distinct, earthy smell produced when rain falls on dry soil. This title hints at themes of refreshment, new beginnings, and perhaps the return of hope or life after a dry spell. Petrichor is primarily an EP, extended play, and early reports and tracklists suggest a diverse and high-quality body of work. It features a range of tracks, showcasing Master H's versatility. Music score key tracks on the Petrichor EP album. The album boasts several notable tracks, including exciting collaborations. WAKALUZA. Ndinouya Ikoko. Congo Pina, feat. Anika. Faya Boom Shelelele, feat. Silent Killer. Kaja and JNR Spraga. Maintainer. Manipulator, featuring Tarrus Riley. This significant international collaboration with Jamaican reggae star Tarrus Riley is a major highlight, demonstrating Master H's ambition and reach. One Love featuring Luciano, another international feature with a highly respected Jamaican artist. Munamato We Ghetto Ute, FT Da Ruler. Eye Candy. Kaja. Anika, a track showcasing local talent and a potentially powerful social message. Released in December 2025, the music demonstrates Master H's continued growth, with a mix of hard-hitting dancehall rhythms and smoother, Afrobeats-inflected sounds. The impact. Dr. Tagwirei's purchase has far-reaching implications. Validation of Zimdancehall. It shows that the genre is a serious commercial enterprise capable of attracting major corporate investment. Financial empowerment for artists. The 30,000 United States dollars payout is a significant financial reward that empowers Master H to invest further in his career and production. Cross-sector support. It signals a growing recognition from the business community that supporting arts and culture is a worthwhile endeavor. This move by Dr. Tagwirei is a powerful endorsement of Master H's talent and a landmark moment for the Zimbabwean music industry. All eyes are now on how Petrichor will perform under its new exclusive ownership. You can check out one of the new tracks from the album, Master H, Manipulator featuring Tarrus Riley, Petrichor album, which features a major international collaboration. Hashtags. Hashtag Zim Music, hashtag Master H, hashtag Petrichor album. Hashtag Zimdancehall, hashtag Dr. Tagwirei, hashtag Music Investment, hashtag Zimbabwean Arts, hashtag African Music, #us30 Kadial, hashtag Tarrus Riley. Would you like me to find out more about Dr. Kudakwashe Tagwirei's history of supporting the arts?